Today's comparison is the latest release Tomica Premium versus the TLV Ferrari F40. I consider this Premium F40 as one of the best casting for 2019, and on first look, most of us can't differentiate between the Premium and also the TLV. Red is definitely the iconic color for Ferrari, and I think Tomica and TomyTec did a really good job on that. And on first glance, you can see that the TLV has side mirror, wiper and black trimmings, while the Tomica Premium don't. Also, you can see the hinge on the TLV which don't look good, but on the Tomica Premium is concealed. The Tomica Premium is also larger than the TLV at 1:62 scale versus the true 1:64. For the side profile, you can't really see any difference. However, the Tomica Limited Vintage comes with rubber wheels, while the Premium does not. For the rear, TLV did a fantastic job versus the economic Premium. And for the front, there's not much difference. I must applaud Tomica Premium for a job well done for the F40. The Premium has suspension, while the TLV don't. And unlike the TLV, the Premium only has an opening rear, while the TLV has both. For the engine compartment and the interior, you can see more details on the TLV versus the Premium, but the Premium, in my opinion, did an equally fantastic job. At an entry-level price, the Tomica Ferrari Premium is really a good catch, and by far is one of the best economical casting for 2019. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!